At this design thinking workshop going right now at IIPA Delhi, I am going to talk to Mr. Vilas Shinde, who's from Sahyadri Farms, which is in Nasik. I'm going to talk to him about being a farmer, what it means, and how does it really bring, more encouragement, more improvement through these workshops. What are the key takeaways, Mr. Shinde, and through personal experiences also, what would you like to share?
Seeing India, the main challenge for the farmer is that the farming is not a profitable activity, and because reason behind that are he is facing multiple challenges, and he is working in silo. As a farmer, he's just focusing on the production, but there are a lot of challenges around him, like marketing challenges, some risk management because of the climate issue, finance management issues. So other stakeholders are also having important role. So I think the same situation is with government. Government is playing important role in agriculture sector, but everything is happening in silo. So instead of that, if we have the integrated approach, how and in that if the core objective is to make the farming profitable as a individual unit, if the with that thought if we'll build the system as an individual, as a farmer and also as a government, then definitely it will be a more sustainable approach. And that approach I saw that in this workshop, everybody is having the same thought, and the design which is built through this workshop is, will go in the same direction. Instead of working in silo, people have the integrated approach with some common goal objective. Definitely that will give a different direction to the Indian agriculture.
Yeah, and since it is happening at IIPA, hosted by CBC, we are talking about capacity building, which you have already narrated. But if you, for the benefit of the audience, if you can also share how these kind of workshop, when you're looking at design thinking from the top to bottom approach also, how does it help?
Oh, definitely, I think the mindset change, the growth mindset, that can be developed through such workshops, and the reality around us where we are stuck up, and how to solve that issue, that can be properly understand through such workshop.
And you're looking forward to more such, exchange of ideas, more insights coming in.
Yes, definitely. We have to learn from others' experiences, whatever the things happening in the globe. From that we can learn, and also we can improve ourselves through such workshops.
Especially in India currently, we see huge relevance of these kind of workshops.
I think our competition is on global level, whatever the challenges as a country we have, or as an individual, the challenges we have. But we have to improve ourselves on the overall efficiency side, on the standard side with the global market.
So much for talking to us, and Mr. Shinde, who was telling us as to how more integrated approach in all the sectors, but especially in agriculture, can be created.